Ready to elevate your ethical hacking skills? Want to master the cutting-edge tools and techniques used by elite hackers and top cybersecurity professionals? Introducing the Certified Expert Ethical Hacker (CEEH) certification, your gateway to mastering advanced, commercial-grade hacking methodologies. With CEEH, you'll gain expertise in everything from vulnerability assessments to penetration testing, using the exact same tools and strategies employed by the world's top security experts. And this isn't just theory. 99.9% of our training is hands-on. You'll dive deep into real-world exercises, including antivirus evasion fully undetectable, FUD attacks, Android 15, FUD exploits LAN and WAN attacks on real devices software, cracking carding, spamming, and more. At A7 Security Hunters, our certified experts bring years of real-world experience to guide you every step of the way. Our live training sessions are interactive and hands-on, ensuring that no question goes unanswered, whether you're a beginner or an advanced hacker. Gain exclusive access to private hacking tools and techniques, the same ones used by black hat hackers, but in a structured, ethical, and legal environment. With our flexible global training programs, you can learn from anywhere in the world, on your schedule. At A7 Security Hunters, we don't just teach hacking, we help you master it. Our courses are built around the latest penetration testing techniques and vulnerability assessments, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. And we do it all at a cost-efficient price, without compromising on quality. Don't miss your chance to earn the CEEH certification, one of the world's most sought-after cybersecurity credentials. Visit www.a7securityhunters.com and start your journey to becoming a certified ethical hacker today.